Hello class! In this video, we are going to learn about using MLA style in Microsoft Word and in Google Docs. Because you are Laney College students, you have access to Microsoft Word for free. In the same place you log in and open Canvas, you can see many other applications. If you go down to the bottom, you will see Microsoft Word here. Click here to open Microsoft Word. When you open, you will see you can make a new file up here. You can click on Create a New Blank Document, but instead of starting everything from the beginning, I want you to look and find this one that says MLA Style Paper. Click here to open this. Now, this is open and we can see that this explains this document is already made to follow the MLA style rules. So let's very quickly make sure that you understand what is MLA. MLA is how the document is formatted. This means the style of the document. In all of your ESOL classes and English classes, you will need to do your documents following this style. So that's why we are learning it here. The first thing you will see is this up here. You need to put your name, the instructor's name, the course name, and the date here in this order. Then you need to put a title here in the center. Let's go ahead and make these changes now. Here, I put the student's name, the teacher's name, the class name. Now you can put any class that this is for example, listening and speaking class, or you can say this is for a writing class, or maybe for the college ready skills class. Then you put the date, and the date has to be in this order. You have two numbers for the date, the full month, and then the 4 digits for the year. Then you put your title here. All of this information then at the bottom, I recommend you grab it all and you delete. You don't need that because you're going to write your own answers here in this document for whatever assignment you are working on. So you see that I can start typing here. Here, I copied a paragraph I already had before. And now I want to show you that at the beginning of a new paragraph, you need to show a space. This space is called an indent, and it is used in MLA format to show that this is the start of a new paragraph. You click Tab on your keyboard, T-A-B. It is on the left side. Tab. Look what happens when I click Tab. It automatically moves everything over. So now my paragraph has the indent to show this is a new paragraph. For example, if I want to do another paragraph and I put it here, I have my indent. And again, this is what you need to show that this is the start of a new paragraph. So this is how you can do everything in Microsoft Word. You also want to make sure that everything is in the right font and size. So I'm going to highlight it all. Then I want to make sure everything is in Times New Roman and everything is in size 12. Okay, everything is in the font color is the black color. To make sure everything is double spaced, I come here to the 3 dots, more options. Click here. Then you will see line spacing. Everything should be double spaced because this is a rule in MLA format. Click here and everything is double spaced. The last thing is to come up to header and make sure you put your last name here, your last name. Here, you're going to insert the page number. Now it's already done because we are using the template. When you finish with the document, you want to share it with your teacher. How can you do this? First, you need to come up here and change the name. When you do, okay, now it's saved with the name. I can then click here to share this document. And I can click here to copy the link and send this link to my teacher. If you don't want to upload a link to Canvas or send it to your teacher, you can come back here and click on File. Then you go to Print, and then you can print this document. When you print it, you have the option to save the document as a PDF. This means a document on your computer. If you don't use Microsoft Word and you want to use Google Docs, that's okay. Come to your Google Drive, click New, and open Google Docs. But don't click here yet. Come to the right, click here, and choose from a template. Here, you want to look for MLA format. Go down, down, keep going, and you will see that there is a document called MLA right here. Under Education, you will see MLA. Click here. Again, this will give you a template. That means most of the formatting is already done. So like before, all you need to do is change, add your name, your teacher's name, the class name, the date, the title, and then you can delete all of this and copy in your work. Now that everything is on the document, I want to make sure everything is in the right font. Highlight it all, come and check that it's Times New Roman, size 12, and the font is in the black color. To check the header, come to Insert, Header, Header, and here you can now add your last name. Click outside to save. Now the document looks good. To check that everything is double-spaced, highlight it all and then come up here. These 3 lines, it says paragraph spacing. Click here and check that everything is double-spaced. Now that it looks okay, I can share this with my teacher if I want to give her or him a link, or I can come to File and download the document. I can download it as a Word document or as a PDF document. So then I can save it to my computer and send it to my teacher in Canvas. So in this video, you learned how to use MLA Style using Microsoft Word and Google Docs. Practice using MLA Style in all of your ESOL and English classes.